If you have paid ads enabled on your RSS.com account, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and least intrusive ways to generate a little bit of extra income for your podcast. Hey everybody, my name's Joe Casabona. I'm the evangelist here at RSS.com, and our paid ads program is one of the easiest ways to monetize your podcast, hands down. But there is an even easier thing that you could do to ensure that you are maximizing the amount of money each episode makes while not making it more intrusive, and that is enabling post-roll ads. Post-roll ads are ads that run after the end of the audio file you upload. So you sign off, you tell everybody to leave a rating and review on Apple Podcasts or wherever they listen to podcasts. And then once that ends, we will dynamically insert ads at the end of that. So if people decide to keep listening, then you will monetize after the episode as well. And enabling it is super easy. I am going to show you how to enable post-roll ads on your episodes if you're in the paid program right now. Okay, I am here in my RSS.com dashboard. I'm going to click on Monetize and then click on Manage Paid Ads. Scroll down and you'll see a section for post-roll. Make sure that this is clicked on, it'll turn purple. And then you can set it up to either run 1 or 2 post-roll ads. And again, this is totally non-intrusive, so I'm going to put double the post-roll ads on, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Now you have turned on post-roll ads. Your podcast is monetizing a little better. You're making a little bit of extra money. And as I said, this is not intrusive to your listeners at all. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the paid ads program, leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you out there.